How to fix wrong date and time on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on general management. After click on general management, click on date and time. After click on date and time, so if you want to fix wrong date and time, so turn off this button and set date. So you will set date from here. After set date, click on done. If you want to set time, so click on set time. So set time from here. After set time, click on done and turn on this button. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.